Hello, I want to get on here today to share these sandals with you. These are just like large, chunky black sandals. They're really cool, kind of adds a little edgy element to your summer wardrobe. So I think these are going to be great because here the tread on the bottom is just super nice. And I already tried these on, they're very comfortable. I love that they have a zipper option here so it's easy to get off and on. You don't have to do the straps every time. So let me go ahead and get these on and style them for you and you can see what they look like. Alright, so I hope this review was helpful to you and get yourself a pair of these sandals and that you love them. Thanks for watching.